Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by enabling the Smart Sidebar because it's the only reliable entry for floating windows on the Vivo S1 Pro. Go to Settings and turn Smart Sidebar on. When Android asks, grant the overlay permission so apps can float. Once done, populate the sidebar with the apps you use in a float. Tap Add or drag apps in. This creates the quick launch list you'll use to summon a floating window instantly, avoiding digging through Recent or Home every time. With the sidebar active, open an app directly from it to trigger the floating window option. You'll see a small window icon or a drag handle. Tap that icon to convert the full screen app into a floating window, or drag the app's thumbnail toward the screen center and release to float. Make sure to resize by dragging the corner and reposition by long pressing the title bar. This lets you run two activities side by side while maintaining touch access to the background app. Finish by pinning the floating window if you need it persistent. Use the lock/pin icon on the window bar so incoming apps won't steal focus. When done, close with the X or swipe the window off the screen. The app returns to normal. If a floating window won't appear, make sure overlay permission remains allowed for that app in settings. Reboot if necessary. Permissions sometimes require a restart, and then repeat the sidebar to float step to confirm it works.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.